Hey, Vincent. Hey, doll. Your big brother's out there playing with the snow. Yeah, it's too cold for you, though. It's too cold for you. Yeah, I know. Kind of bites a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully Nana and Pap will come see you this week or next week. Yeah. Hey. Hey ho. Say hi to Daddy. Hey. You say hi to Daddy. Are you looking for your brother? You hear him out there, don't you? Yeah. Hear Big Jaden out there playing in the snow. Yeah. Oh, I'll put this on YouTube again. Yeah. So all the family can see you. Yeah. Maybe we'll try and take a picture with your WVU outfit today. If you're awake like this, huh? Yeah? You think so? What do you think? Let's go, Mountaineers. Let's go, Mountaineers. Yeah, go team.